Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome auto power off on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you here who are annoyed if your cell phone suddenly turns off by itself every day, then it could be that there's a feature that schedules the power to turn on and off every day. And you have to turn off the schedule style so that your cell phone doesn't turn off by itself every day. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to battery menu. Alright, and then you can go to additional features, and on the schedule power on and off you have to turn it off all, and now your phone will not turn off by itself every day. Alright guys, it's easy, right? So yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys.